Okay lang yan, okay lang. Kasi araw ng mga puso. Dapat nandun ka, Mike, sa tabi ni Kat.
Okay. Once again, thank you so much. And okay. Your love. Patulang pangalan to. Your love has brought light into my life. Woo! I want you to know that you are my greatest treasure. Wow.
Wow, ang sarap.
Kinikilig naman ako.
Nakakakilig talaga.
Let go of your doubts. Let go of your fears. Because you are the greatest thing that ever happened to me. Wow.
Ang sarap naman yan. That's a true
Happy
love.
Valentine's love. Mako. Thank you.
Kumikinang ang mata ni Mike.
Kantahan mo muna ako.
Ayan na, kayo na.
Ha? Thank you so much. At least meron ako na-receive